Imagine making $300 every single day without sitting in front of your computer all day long. Yes, not by day trading, not by gambling, but by using a smarter strategy called swing trading. Welcome to today's audiobook, Swing Trading Secrets: How to Earn $300 Daily in the Stock Market. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by day trading, confused by complicated strategies, or frustrated by losses, this guide will show you the exact step-by-step secrets successful swing traders use. By the end of this session, you'll know what swing trading really is, why it's the easiest path for beginners, the proven strategies that consistently make profits, and how you can realistically aim for $300 a day, even if you're starting small. So grab a notebook, sit back, and let's begin the journey. Chapter 1. What is swing trading? Swing trading is the art of capturing short to medium-term moves in a stock, usually lasting from a few days to a few weeks. Unlike day trading, where you buy and sell on the same day, swing traders hold positions longer, allowing them to catch bigger price moves with less stress. Example: if a stock like Apple is trading at $170 and analysts expect it to rise to $180 over the next week, a swing trader buys at $170 and sells at $180, making a $10 per share profit. The beauty of swing trading is that you don't need to sit in front of charts all day. You just need a few minutes daily to analyze setups, a clear plan for entries and exits, and patience to let the trade play out. Swing trading works because the stock market doesn't move in a straight line. It swings. Prices go up, pull back, and then go up again. The swing trader profits from these natural waves. Chapter 2. Why swing trading is perfect for beginners. 1. Less stressful than day trading. Day traders sit glued to screens for 6 to 7 hours. Swing traders? Just 15 to 30 minutes a day is enough. 2. Higher profit potential. Since you hold trades longer, you can catch bigger moves. Even a 5 to 10% move in a stock can bring huge returns. 3. Fits any schedule. You can swing trade while having a full-time job because you only check charts before or after work. 4. Lower capital requirement. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. Even with $500 to $1,000, you can begin swing trading. 5. Emotionally easier day trading causes anxiety because of rapid price moves. Swing trading is slower, calmer, and gives you time to think before acting. Chapter 3. Tools you need for swing trading. Before we talk about strategies, let's prepare your toolkit. A brokerage account: Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, ETRADE, Webull for U.S. traders. Charting software: TradingView or Thinkorswim. Risk calculator helps you manage position size. Journal: a simple notebook or Excel sheet to record trades. And most importantly, mindset. Swing trading is not gambling. It's about discipline, patience, and rules. Chapter 4. The secret formula to make $300 a day. Now let's talk about the core. 1. Choose the right stocks. Focus on liquid, popular stocks like Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, Nvidia. These have predictable price swings and high trading volume. 2. Identify swing points. Use simple technical tools. Moving averages, 50 and 200 EMA. If the 50 EMA is above 200 EMA, it's an uptrend. Support and resistance levels. Buy near support, sell near resistance. RSI, Relative Strength Index. Below 30 means oversold, buy signal. Above 70 means overbought, sell signal. Third entry strategy. Wait for a stock to pull back in an uptrend. Enter when price bounces off support. Confirm with RSI or candlestick pattern. 4. Exit strategy. Target at least 2 times your risk. Example: if risking $100, aim to make $200. Always set a stop loss below support. 5. Risk management, the golden rule. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital on a single trade. If you have $10,000, risk only $100 to $200 per trade. How does this add up to $300 daily? If you take 2 trades a week with $500 profit each, That's $1,000 weekly equals $200 per day. With consistency, you can scale up and average $300 plus per day. Chapter 5. Common mistakes. Beginners make one. Overtrading, taking too many trades at once. 2. Ignoring stop loss, hoping the stock will bounce back. 3. Chasing stocks, buying after a big move, only to watch it fall. 4. Lack of patience, closing trades too early before target is hit. 5. No trading journal, not recording mistakes and repeating them again. Remember, successful trading is not about being right every time. It's about cutting losses quickly and letting winners run. Chapter 6. Advanced Swing Trading Secrets. Now let's go deeper. Sector rotation strategy. Money moves from one sector to another. Tech, energy, healthcare. Follow the trend and trade in hot sectors. Earnings play stocks often move big before and after earnings. With proper risk management, these swings can give huge profits. Options. Trading for swing traders. Instead of buying 100 shares, you can buy a single option contract. This multiplies your profits with lower capital. But caution, higher risk, only for experienced traders. Trend following secret. The best swing trades happen in the direction of the bigger trend. Always zoom out and check weekly charts before entering. Chapter 7. The $300 Daily Roadmap. Here's a simple 5-step plan to consistently aim for $300 a day. 1. Start with $2,000 to $5,000 capital. 2. Risk 1 to 2% per trade, $20 to $100. 3. Take 2 to 3 quality trades a week. 4. Target 5 to 10% moves in strong stocks. 5. Journal every trade and improve. Within a few months, this system can realistically bring $1,500 to $3,000 monthly profits. As your account grows, $300 daily becomes possible. Conclusion, final motivation. Swing trading is not about gambling. It's a proven method that thousands of traders use to build wealth steadily. Remember this, day trading can make you tired, investing takes years, but swing trading gives you the perfect balance of quick profits and manageable risk. With patience, discipline, and these secrets, you too can join the 10% of traders who actually make money in the market. So start small, stay consistent, and one day $300 daily will just be the beginning of your journey. Thank you for listening to Swing Trading Secrets, how to earn $300 daily in the stock market. See you in the next audiobook.